Freedom in America is indivisible from the freedom to practice one's religion. Moreover, freedom in America is indivisible from the freedom to practice one's religion.
In a Berlin under siege, President Kennedy said, "Freedom is indivisible, and when one man is enslaved, all are not free." Few would have foreseen on that day that a united Germany would be led by a woman from Brandenburg, or that their American ally would be led by a man of African descent.
Just before 13 newly independent colonies became one nation, indivisible under God. But let us remember that we can do these things not just because of wealth or power, but because of who we are. One nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
We too are one nation, indivisible under God, with liberty and justice for all. And at least in this country, sir, the President of the United States stands for power tempered with goodwill, wealth with justice, and energy with wisdom.
And as President, I'm confident that we have the courage and the resilience and the spirit to overcome these challenges and to go forward as one nation under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
In our view, civil, political, economic, social, and cultural rights are indivisible, interdependent, and universal.
And as long as you keep strong that long blue line, stay true to the values you've learned here: integrity, service before self, excellence. Do this, and I'm confident that we will always remain one nation under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.